people, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola, and for today's video I will be showing you how to make this DIY clipping hair extensions using crochet hair. If you want to see, stay tuned. Thank you so much for returning back to my channel. For my subscribers, and if you are new here, you are welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to join the channel. And for today's video purpose, I'll be using this kinky hair crochet that I got from Slicky Hair on Amazon. And what I'm gonna do is to separate each crochet strand and tie them onto a thread. So as you can see in this video, I used my chair as a support system to wrap about 5 threads around it for me to tie the crochet hair onto it. So as you can see, I'm tying each crochet hair onto the sewing thread around my chair, and you just want to do that very firmly, and you can do that all around the entire thread. So once you're done with the entire thread, if you can, as you can see, the crochet hair are a little bit mobile and you don't want that. So what you want to do is to take a sewing needle and thread, and you want to secure each strand of the crochet hair onto the thread. So you want to sew it onto the thread to make sure the hair is not mobile. While you do this, please watch out for your fingers. So as you can see, I'm just doing a continuous sewing of the crochet hair onto the thread, like so. Just keep doing that. And what I will be doing in this video is, based on my preference, I leave about 1 inch space in between each strand of hair. You don't have to do that, but because this hair is crochet hair, it's not a straight hair, it's quite dense, and I don't want each hair extensions to be too dense. So this is just my preference. I decided to leave about 1 inch space in between each strand, and as you can see, that's what I'm doing right now as I'm sewing it onto the thread. Like I said, you don't have to do this. You can sew it close to each other without leaving any space in between them. That is totally fine and up to you. It will still work perfect. You want to keep doing that for the entire hair. One thing I try to do with these extensions is that I try to mimic the regular extensions that we buy, and what that means is the length of each extension is different. So I did some extensions using about just 4 crochet hair strands, like in this one. But some other extensions have a longer length, and I'll show you in a few minutes time. So I'm using these clippings that I got from local store close by, and what you want to make sure you do when attaching these clippings to the hair is you don't want the comb section of the clippings sewn to the hair directly, so you want it facing outside, and you want the shorter part of the clipping sewn directly to the hair. I hope you get what I'm trying to explain here, but basically you want to make sure you can open up the clipping when you sew on the clipping to the hair. The clipping has about 2 to 3 holes in between them vertically on both sides. So I'm basically passing across my needle through each hole, through the first and the second hole. That way you're able to sew your clipping onto the hair in a more secured fashion. And you want to check it if you can open the clipping or not. That's very important. If you see that you are unable to open up the clipping, then you've sewn it the wrong way, and you can just basically take it out and redo that. So it should look something like this. Yes guys, that is your clipping extension. If you want to use more clippings on the hair based on the length, you can definitely do that. But for this video purpose, I'm just going to show you this and you are good to go. These hair extensions actually come very handy on days where your hair is not just, cooperating and you need something different. You need a different look, something quick, something you can clip in easily and you can take out when you're about to go to bed if you don't want to sleep with it on your head. So it's really nice, guys, to have stuff like this at home. And if you notice, the length of my clipping is different from each other. Like I said, the mid section of your head is longer than the frontal or the back section of your head. So I just try to mimic the length of the head. And that's what I did with the clippings here. That's why you see some clippings longer than the other ones. So that's it, guys. Very easy. Let me know if you try out this. Put it in the comment box below. If you want to see how to install these clippings on your hair and how to style it, this is one way that I did style it in this video. If you want to see more, let me know in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to make a video on that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.